get started, you'll need a walking foot and a screwdriver. Move your existing presser foot and presser foot holder. The walking foot has an arm to move the top feed dogs up and down. This arm needs to sit on or around the needle bar when you're installing the foot. Use the screwdriver to tighten the foot, then turn the wheel to make sure everything is moving up and down correctly. The walking foot allows you to do any number of stitches, including the lock stitch, the straight stitch, and zigzag stitches. I was sewing 2 pieces of velour fabric, and as you can see, there's very minimal shifting of the fabric. So there you have it, how to install and use a walking foot. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.